Okay, guys, we've got our sweet Alabama bread up, and it's cooled enough I can touch it. Let's just cut it. I did spray my pan. I'm hoping it'll be good enough to come out, because it is acting a little bit sticky. Hopefully it won't be too much. Ugh, might be a little bit, but that's okay. Okay. Kind of tore up. But there it is. Kind of tore up. It's really like a pecan cake. That's what I think. Into here. Very good. Sonny, you try it. And y'all know, because I was crafting, it did stay a couple more minutes. But see, even Sonny's going in for another bite, because it's very good.
There you go. Oh, mine flip me. I don't like me flipping.
Oh, just so that like they can read the shirt or whatever.
My face don't look like flip.
Finally got it made, Patches. Finally. Miss Pamela said, "Hey, Sonny." Can't read it. Oh, I have my glasses. It does. It always comes out funky, but it's
The
delicious.
pecans are my favorite part. Let's see. It don't ever do
Yeah.
it when I try to do it.
I don't know if it's on this page.
Just did a while
Oh, did
ago.
it?
Somehow. Pecans are delicious.
Oh well, it won't give a thumbs up. But y'all please share it out. Self-rising. Self-rising. You want self-rising so that it will, swell cooking, because it's when you get it in the pan, it's probably not about that thick, but then it swells up to where it's about that thick. So, yeah. 1.5 cups of self-rising flour.
If you don't have self-rising, can't you just add the...
Yeah, if you don't have self-rising, you can just add your baking powder and your salt, and then you'll have self-rising. Oh, it's so good, guys. So good. All right. That's it. I just wanted y'all to see it. Y'all please share it out.
That's really good.
Oh, does she make it too? This is Miss Brenda. She got it from Miss Brenda. I made it first time live or on thing 3.5 years ago actually, for Dusty's baby shower. Oh, it's so good. And we've made it several times to travel, because it's good traveling. You can cut it up into little bars, and then you got your snack to eat while you're going down the road without having to, pay the stores for everything.
Alabama Pecan Bars, that's what you call it.
Did I?
I don't know.
I don't remember what I called it. But anyhow, it's good. It doesn't really matter. It's good.
I don't like the little crunchy edges.
Well, I do. All right, guys. I love you. And
Really good.
yeah, we'll see y'all guys a little later. Sonny was going to make a dump cake. I don't know if she's...
I don't know. I get saying.
We're having sausage dogs, baked beans, mac and cheese for supper tonight. It's going to be good. So, let me show you something. Me and Wilder and Mo cooked up a pile of biscuits. Now, a ton of them got to eat, but Sonny had told me that Jeff and Bo were coming back to eat too, and they both love biscuits. Blue wasn't here. Blue loves biscuits. He was here to start with. So we fixed for everybody. And it wound up not being anybody but me and Sonny and Dusty and Jesse, and then Mo and Wilder. And Mo and Wilder don't eat biscuits. They're not bread children. So
The only thing is I only have my little 8x8 pans, and that's what I was thinking. Why don't I make it?
you can make it in a slow cooker.
I was doing a blackberry and a pineapple one. like 2 separate ones, and like have more fruit and less bread. But I don't know if that'd be good.
I think it'd be good. Have one in pineapple, one in blackberry, you saying?
No, in the 8x8 pans.
Oh, okay. Oh, 8x8 pans,
Way
so
you
it's
have
smaller.
more fruit and less breading.
Yeah. We might make some, guys. She's talking about experimenting a little bit. Can y'all believe Sonny's going to experiment? Anyhow, I love you. We're going to see y'all later. Y'all please share this out, okay? Love you guys.
The only other option I have